Hello, this is Jan 2023 paper, question number 2, part 2. Prepare the current account for each partner. So there was Javid and Kirstie. Earlier we had prepared the capital account. Now we are supposed to prepare the current account for each partner. Now the current account balances are given. For Javid it is 800 and for the Kirstie it is equal to 250. So let's prepare the current account balances. So the current account is a liability account. Okay, so we are supposed to, okay, so let's start the book by putting the balances as on 1st Jan 2022. So 1st Jan 2022, the balance brought down for for the Javid account. Javid it is 800 and for the Kirstie it is, so let's write the name. Okay, so this is Javid and the second one is the Kirstie. Now, so the beginning balances for the Javid it was 800 credit. Okay, for 800 credit, and for Kirstie the balance brought down was 250 debit. Okay, so it was 250 debit. Then what happens is we have to include interest on capital. Okay, so let's include interest on the capital. So you have to include interest on capital. Okay, then you will also have to include interest on the loan. So interest on capital, okay, it is paid to the, all this are going to go out of the business, and all the things that's coming into the business will be included on this side. Okay, so the interest on the capital, interest on the loan, and then you have to give the salaries. Okay, salary, and then you have the share of profit. Okay, so and then you will have to include the share of profit. On this side you are supposed to include interest on drawings. Okay, interest on drawings and interest on drawings. Okay, so you will have to include both drawings made by the partners and what is the interest. Okay, the interest that is going to be laid on for the drawings, that is charged to the partner for the drawings. Now next one is, and then you will have to remove the salary paid this year, actual salary paid. Okay, so this is what is the salary that was supposed to be given by the business and what is the actual paid. Okay, then so let's calculate this. So let's include all of them. First, interest on capital, it is 2600. So you will include 2600, then 1600 for Kirstie. So 1600. Then interest on the loan. So this is nothing, and the Kirstie had 1250. So 1250. Then you had the salaries. Okay, salary salary appropriated. Okay, the salary that has to be given is 8500. Okay, this was supposed to be given, and 6800. so 6,800. But the actual salary paid till date was 7,800. Okay, so 7,800 and 5,900. So 5,900. So this is the actual salaries that were paid. This was supposed to be paid by the business, but they have only got this much. Okay, and um, then we have to include share of profit. It is 4,500. Okay, 4,500, and this is 3,000 for Kirstie. Okay, then we have interest on drawings, 420. Drawings, let's include the drawings. Drawings are around 6,000. Okay, the drawings they had done was 6,000 and 4,000 each. So 4,000, and the interest on drawings will be equal to 420 and 280. 420 and 280. Okay, interest charged to the partner for the drawings. Now let's balance out and see what is the balance at the end of the month. Okay, at the end of the year. So let's add up on this side. 2,600 plus 800 plus 8,500 plus 4,500. It is equal to 16,400. Okay, on this side let's calculate. So 800, 2,600 plus 8,500 plus 4,500. So 16,400, and on this side it is equal to 1,600 plus 1,250 plus 6,800 plus 3,000. So that is equal to 12,650. Okay, so let's include 12,650. Now the total has to be same on both the sides. So the balance carried forward. Okay, balance carried forward as on this is 31st December 2022 will be equal to 16,400 minus 16,400 minus 6,000 minus 420 minus 7,800. So that value is 2,180. So let's include here. For Javid it will become 2,180, and for Kirstie it will be 12,650 minus 250 minus 4,000 minus 280 minus 5,900. So that is equal to 2,220. So 2,220. So 2,220. Now this will be the same as the balance brought down on the 1st of Jan, okay, 2023. So 1st Jan 2023, the balance brought down for both of them will be 2,180 and 2,220.